Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rafael. I am from Guadalajara, Mexico. I have been Muslim for 18 years old. I came to Islam through playing video games on the internet. I met some Muslims from Muslim countries. I got to read the Quran in Spanish on my computer, and after reading it, I accepted Islam. After that, I went to study to the University of Medina. Then I came back, started doing dawah. Alhamdulillah, it's been amazing. It's been a true blessing. Ever since I converted to Islam, I used to read the Quran in the bus when I was going to my house. And I was thinking to myself that this message has to get to every Mexican. Since I converted to Islam, I have been concerned about people learning about Islam. I truly believe that there's a lot of people, millions of people, who really need Islam in their lives. They don't have a connection to their Creator. They face many issues in life because they have lost spirituality. They have lost their connection to Allah, to the Creator. So since I converted to Islam, I have tried to spread the message to my Mexican people. And I believe over 3,000 people have converted to Islam in Mexico through the effort that we are doing, alhamdulillah. Mexican people is very open to Islam. Most of them don't know anything about Islam. They're very open. When they found what Islam truly is, they like it. You know, many people here are monotheistic. They believe in only one God, but they have, you know, these conflicts of belief, but they follow a certain religion because that's the only religion they know. When they find Islam, they like it, and many people accept it easily. So I think Muslims should get involved in the dawah in Mexico because this is a very fertile land to convey the message of Islam in a very intelligent way, in a very simple way. And I think millions of Mexicans could convert to Islam.
Story that you told us that blew me away. Your wife and you are both people in Mexico who took Shahada. But how did Allah bring you guys together?
Well, she was studying Arabic with me. I didn't know her, but on an Eid prayer, we met. I spoke to her wali, I spoke to her parents, to her grandparents, I spoke to many people. And when I proposed her, I gave her a Quran in Arabic that I brought from Medina, and I gave her black seed. So when I gave that to her, she was shocked. She was like frozen for easily 10, 15 minutes. She was like speechless.
Speechless.
So I asked her, "Are you okay?" She's like, "I'll come back." She went, and then she came back, and later on, she didn't explain to me at that moment. I was just confused, like, did I say something, you know, something that offended her? Did I do anything wrong? I didn't know what it was. But sometime later, when she accepted my proposal, she said, "You know, I had a dream where a man told me that you are going to marry a man who is going to give you a Quran." She saw like the cover of the Quran. She didn't know what it was, but she saw the cover of the Quran. And he's going to give you also black seeds. So when she received that, she was like speechless.
This sounds like a movie, but you know, I genuinely believe this. May Allah preserve Raphael and his wife and their marriage. But I really do feel like these kind of dreams Allah sends to people because He wants to bring people together who work in the dawah.
No le hace que yo le vaya al Atlas esté a la Chiva, no pasa nada. Gracias. ¿Le puedo regalar un folleto? Sí, buen provecho.
So Sabur, why did we end up hiring Raphael and working with him in iERA in Mexico?
We hired him because he was giving dawah without us. He was passionate, he was zealous, he had this sincere ability to convey Islam to people. And we saw this and we said we're going to support this guy. So we hired him, we got him a dawah center, and alhamdulillah, so many people have come to Islam and learnt about Islam. And he has developed an entire network of volunteers who took Shahada with him, who he taught Islam.
That was really important to me. Since I became Muslim, I feel a need to spread the message of Islam because of a number of reasons. I think one of the most important ones is thankfulness to Allah. Allah guided me to Islam. I don't know the reasons why He guided me. Sometimes you feel like you don't deserve it, but Allah guided me. So I feel I shouldn't be unthankful and just keep Islam for myself.